Yes, welcome to my channel. Yes, I'm here today to share with you Cherica Piquant sauce. It's a flavor enhancer sauce that you can put with any meal, breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Seafood, beef, pork, soups, peas, beans, whatever your preference is, it will awaken the flavor. It flavors up any meal. Yes, right here we're making some smothered pork chops. It's like a brown stew. As you can see, he had already sauteed the onions and peppers and getting ready to pour in the piquant sauce. These are great ideas that you can use with the piquant sauce. Yes, currently still sauteing the onions and peppers so it can flavor up all together since the piquant sauce has been added. Yes, this piquant sauce is very great. It's a flavor enhancer. It's no chemicals. It's only fruits, vegetables, and herbs only. And this is a great ingredient. It's like your missing ingredient. The missing ingredient that just makes your food just voila. But anywho, we're going ahead and place in the pork chops in the piquant sauce with the vegetables already in it. And I'm going to let that sit for a while. So as you can see, just getting the excess seasonings from the meat. Add a little bit of bottled water to it and pouring it over the pork chops. And this is a great dish, guys. It's like a brown stew dish. So basically when you're browning it, you're going to add a little bit of ketchup. Just a little bit, not much. And it gives it an amazing flavor with the piquant sauce. Oh my God. And here you go. Once it gets bubbling, you done turned it a couple of times and you pick up the sauce and pour it over it. There you go. You can order it at ricasglossyworld.com.